This brow is very deep, dark, and handsome. I don't know how that happened. What the heck? So we're headed to Sephora right now, and I'm gonna have Cesar pick all my makeup. I don't know if I'm scared or just more so interested in what he's gonna choose. I'm just curious. Do you know what you're gonna choose, or you're just gonna go in there and be like, just wing it?
You're just gonna have to wait and see. We'll see how it goes.
Oh my god, my arm.
It's not that heavy.
When I get out of this car, my arm's gonna be stronger than your arm.
This should be fun. As much as we've been around makeup, we'll see how
yeah, I feel like Cesar kind of knows because he's around the makeup. But I don't know if you know like what colors I should be using.
Foundation, medium. There you go. We'll see
he thinks he knows. Next clip, you're gonna see us inside Sephora, and hopefully, I'm hoping we don't get kicked out, or I think the worst they can do is just say like, you can't film in here. People do videos at Sephora, like full glam videos. I've seen it before, but I don't know if they're hiding their camera or if like they just don't care. I don't know, but we're gonna wing it and see what happens. Thumbs up if you want to know why Cesar's always hiding from the camera. And if you want him in the video more, thumbs up this video. And let him know in the comments. We're gonna start with foundation. Right now we're next to Kevin O'Quan, Makeup Forever, and Natasha Denona. What? I didn't even know she had foundation.
25 it is.
25? Oh, you're gonna pick Natasha Denona?
25.
It's usually behind there, Cesar.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we need concealer now. We don't have to just stay in this one little...
I'm just trying to get it over with and figure out this stuff. Dude, this is a lot of stuff. Concealer, where are you? Foundation. God. Medium, light. Medium, light or deep? You're not deep.
I'm not deep, Cesar.
Right now we're gonna get a shadow, so we went to Anastasia to figure out what we got here. Soft glam or the Renaissance. So we got a shadow Renaissance.
Actually, that's a good choice.
Guys, I'm getting in trouble here. They're not letting me shop.
Yeah.
So I need to hurry up.
Yes, you do.
And when the highlights. So they were nice enough to give me a basket, but tell me to get out.
Who is this?
This hourglass. Luminous light will be this one right here.
Okay.
Right, so now we're gonna do lips.
Lips.
Oh my god, this is $38 for this thing. You gotta be kidding me.
They're cute though.
We're gonna go with the award-winning with this one. Alright guys, I just saw this right here. Let's do a pink mascara.
I'm gonna put this on you, you know that, right? All of this makeup you're choosing is going on your face.
Oh no.
Bronzer.
Look who it is. Look who it is. What's up, Jackie?
It's in the house. Oh man, that's crazy.
Alright, so let's do a bronzer here. Matte medium.
Matte medium.
Matte medium it is. Alright, we just got it.
Luckily we did not get kicked out.
I don't know. But we got a bunch of stuff here.
Yeah.
You guys can see. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. I just wanted to get out of there.
I'm honestly really happy. I'm putting it on you.
You're not putting it.
Part 2.
We just got back. I'm glad we weren't kicked out. So the first thing we got here is a palette. Modern Renaissance. You know, I'm familiar with the brand. Should be good.
I'm excited about this.
Then we got this one. This was very interesting. I picked it up because it was pink. I mean, you guys will see it when Kristen starts doing the video. It's a mascara. So it's interesting. It's gonna be a pink mascara. Next thing here.
I'm excited about that one.
Then we got the Cover FX matte setting powder. I don't know what this is. I just got it because I've seen it before. And then it's a lot of stuff. By the way, this stuff was almost $400.
Not a cheap visit.
Then we got the Hourglass. I think this is a highlighter. Yeah, it's a highlighter. Natasha Denona foundation.
I like that you got full coverage. I'm a full coverage kind of girl. You guys know that.
And then we got Too Faced Chocolate Matte Bronzer here. Let's see what I got here. Got 2 more things here. Then we got a lipstick from Pat McGrath. Honestly, I don't remember. We got a, oh yeah, concealer. Anyways, we'll see what she creates.
Wish me luck.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and how Kristen says what she said.
If you watch my video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Quad family. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm back. I actually did my brows off camera and I put on some Versali to prime my face a little bit just because Cesar did not choose a brow or a primer, so I had to do that off camera. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the eyes. The eyes that he chose for me is the Modern Renaissance palette. Good choice. I'm gonna start off with Buen Fresco, and we're gonna see what happens. We're just gonna wing it a little bit and see what happens. Put on a little bit of concealer on my eyes. I didn't prime my eyes at all, so I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. This is the Cover FX Cream Concealer in medium, because my skin naturally on my eyelids, it's so uneven and like reddish brown. So once I get that blended on there, I'm gonna go ahead and just set everything in place with tempera. Ooh, it's kind of, it has a little bit of shimmer in it. So we're gonna set everything on our eyelid, just dust it lightly over so we don't have any wet spots on our eye. The first color I'm gonna start off with is Buen Fresco, and I feel like it matches the outside of the palette, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna put him all over my crease. Woo! The next shade I'm going to hit into is Raw Sienna. I haven't used this one before. And put that in the crease, just below Buen Fresco. All right, I'm gonna go into Love Letter just because it looks really fuchsia and bright. I'm gonna go into that and work that into the crease as well. We're gonna have a lot of different crease shades going on our eye today. I'm gonna go back in with this fluffy brush just to blend out this edge a little bit, and then go back in. Next, I'm gonna go in with Red Ochre and layer that on the outer part of the crease. There, and I got a little bit too much product on my brush, so it looked kind of crazy to blend out. I'm gonna go back in with this fluffier brush and then just work it in. Ooh, this is a very red look so far. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with Antique Bronze and just start to lay that onto my lid. Cesar didn't choose an eyeliner, so I'm thinking what I can do is use Cypress Umber and have some kind of definition. Lately, I really have been liking like a soft definition on the lash line. Okay, I need to fix my brows or it's gonna drive me crazy. So I'm gonna go into my brows really quick and I'll be back. This looks kind of crazy. I'm gonna clean up my face. There's a lot of fallout. I'm gonna go in with Golden Ochre for my brow bone, just because we need to clean up a lot of things right now. I'm just gonna blend out where they meet so it transitions really easy and nice into each other. I'm gonna put on some mascara, but Cesar didn't. Oh my God, he did give me mascara. I forgot. He gave me this. Why would you do this to me? Let's try and make this work. Oh my God, it is hot pink. I don't know how cute I'm gonna look after this, you guys. I don't know how I feel about this. Can I put fake lashes on? Is that cheating if I put fake lashes on top of this? I mean, it's still on my eyelashes and they're still gonna be pink. I'm gonna put some fake lashes on, okay? We're just gonna do it. I'm gonna put some of these on. He didn't choose these, but they're right next to me. They're the Lily Lashes in Goddess, so I'm just gonna pop them on really quick. You know what, maybe if I put a little bit, I'm gonna hate it. I know I'm gonna hate it if I do this, but maybe if I put a little bit, I'm just gonna do it anyways, see what happens. I'm just gonna mix it in a little bit just so that it looks like sort of one lash. What do you guys think about these lashes? I'm gonna move on because I might just take them off. I'm gonna go on to the rest of my face. Obviously, my face needs some help. Something bit me here, like in 2 places. I don't know what. There's a lot of redness, breakouts, a lot of stuff going on my face. So I'm very excited to put some foundation on right now. The foundation Cesar got was one that I've never ever tried, and I didn't even know she had foundation. This is the Natasha Denona Foundation X, and he got me the shade Light Neutral, which is not a bad shade at all. It's full coverage, and that makes me very excited. I need that right now. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Comes in a pump, which is awesome. See if it covers this bite right here. You guys wanna see the power of makeup? Let's do this side of my face and see what the difference is. Very lightweight. I don't see anyone talking about this foundation. I would say it's about a medium coverage right now. It's very light. It looks very skin-like. Okay, I have to say that Cesar actually did a pretty good job with picking my shade. I am a little more tan in certain areas, like right on my forehead, but the coverage is actually really good. So I'm gonna just keep going and do the rest of my face really quick. Foundation was a good choice. Cesar gets brownie points for this one. It was actually amazing. Now I'm gonna go into concealer. So this is the Cover FX Cream Concealer in medium neutral. Put it on the back of my hand. Take some with my beauty blenders. This is a little bit thick. Go right underneath our eyes. I don't mind if my concealer is a little bit thicker because I don't know why. I just like a lot of coverage under my eyes. It just makes me feel better. I don't know. One thing he didn't get though is contour. So I don't know how I'm gonna contour my face. He did get bronzer, so it's not a bad thing. We need to bake. He got the Cover FX matte setting powder. We're gonna set our under eyes. I'm actually gonna set the whole entire center of my face just because this area can get pretty oily these days. And to be honest, I don't like to set my entire face at all. I just like to set the center part anyways. I feel like it looks more natural that way. And update on my makeup routine. I have not been baking lately. I've just been setting my face. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the eyeshadow, go back into the lower lash line. I'm gonna go into Love Letter first, which is this red-ish pink. Almost like fuchsia color. I'm gonna take this wide flat brush, except these shadows have a lot of fallout. I do have to say that about these shadows. The color payoff is amazing though, and they blend out really nice. Definitely will be using this eyeshadow again. And I'm gonna mix in some of red ochre right there. I'm gonna take a clean brush, this big fluffy brush, and just go right underneath it and make sure that it's nice and soft and there's no craziness happening. We just gotta clean everything up. I'm gonna go in the inner corners with Vermeer. I think that's how you say it. This one right here. It's like a pink, almost like a pinky undertone. So a little rosy, like a little pastel-y, right on the inner corners. I'm gonna add a little bit of that brown on the lower lash line too, just because I need something to deepen this up a little bit more. I feel like we have a very smoky red going on right now and I love it. Now we're gonna go back into the pink. I really don't know how this is gonna make it look, but we're gonna do it anyways. I feel like my eyelashes just kind of disappeared like into the rest of the eyeshadow. So I don't really know where they went, but they're there, I promise you guys. We got us the Too Faced bronzer in Chocolate Soleil. I do love a matte bronzer, so I feel like that we did a good move with that. I'm gonna take it on my cheeks, bronze it up. And honestly, on the lips, he did not even look at the color. He kind of just was like, oh yeah, that one. I don't know how the color is gonna look with this look, but we are always down for a challenge, so it's all good. I'm kind of contemplating if I should just contour my nose off camera because I need to contour my nose. Let's try to contour with this, see what happens. This is actually not a bad contour color. And then actually, since it's not so bad, I'm gonna contour my cheeks with it too. See what it does for my cheekbones. It's all in the brushes you use. You don't ever have to have like a ton of different products. You can always work with what you have. Just make sure you invest in brushes because you need different types of brushes so that you can create all kinds of looks. So we're bronzy, we're contoured. All that we have, oh wait, the highlight, hello. So he did get us a highlight, the Hourglass highlight, and this is Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminous Light. So it looks like that. Let me swatch it, see what it looks like. Like this is a very soft, it's one of those really soft highlights, which I'm not mad at. All right, so I'm gonna go into the highlighter. Here we go. Super soft. Go a little bit on the nose and the Cupid's bow. All that we have left are the lips. For the lips, Cesar chose Pat McGrath Flesh 3. Ooh, this is very matte. See how matte that looks? I think it'll actually go pretty perfect with the eyes. Wait, this is really powdery. This is a really interesting formula. If I would have chose a lipstick, it would have been nude, so good choice. Actually goes with the look pretty good. And that is the final look. What do you think?
I think I did a pretty good job.
You actually did a really good job with color coordination. I don't know if you were paying attention to that, but you did a good job.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Do you notice the lashes? Honestly, it was really rough. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see Cesar in more videos, please thumbs it up. And I kind of enjoyed vlogging a little bit. It was like vlogging, I guess. And I kind of want to do more of that, but let me know if you want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to thumbs it up if you loved it. And that's it. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.